So quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? The price has now broken above 50 EMA. We were waiting for the price to see what price action can do. Either it can give us a signal from here or break above. Now we had a break above, and just to mention here for my MMTA course student, I was getting some messages from them that if this is a valid reversal strategy, they are learning in the intermediate section. Yes, it is a valid condition. You're learning with all rules are met, and that is a good live example here on nat gas. I have not tested nat gas with this strategy, but that is a good example of that. So what to expect from here? Now price has broken above 50 EMA, and now as you know, I only take buy trades once the price is above 50 EMA. This could be a change in trend, but that doesn't mean that I start buying here. Yes, it looks bullish to me. Bullish doesn't mean the price will just quickly push up. I always take my trades with condition, and the condition will be pullback of few red candles, a hit of 50 EMA, or pullback of few red candles above 50 EMA followed by a bullish engulfing candle. If that happens, we will have very likely chance the price will push up. As you can see, we have a new high right here, broke above the previous high. In that case, I just want to see a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, keep on taking long. And now if the price keeps on pushing up and we have a dramatic move tomorrow, we have inventory report as well. If you have a good move tomorrow, the zone above will be a good zone, not a major zone, but it is a good zone, which is 2.342, goes up to 2.426, a zone from where I want to look for my sell conditions. The bearish engulfers, double tops, or my inverted hammers or pin bar or 382 candles. So just want to show you that we do have a bullish pressure at this point with this 382 candle, and now we have a 382 candle that has just closed. Now if you see a valid 382 candle, and that shows a good bullish pressure. On currency.com, exactly the same. We had a break above 50 EMA, and now I'm just waiting for a good pullback of few red candles followed by a bullish engulfing candle. Once that happens, we are good to go long, and once the price push up, the zone above to take your sell trades is 2.478, goes up to 2.554, a zone from where we will enter our sell trades with conditions like bearish engulfers, double top or 382 candles. So keep an eye here. We are only taking buy trades from now as price has broken above 50 EMA, and I only look for conditions to enter my buy trades. Let's check gold. Gold has now pushed down dramatically due to news events, and now at this point it didn't play out. I was expecting a price to push up and hit the termination zone above, and that certainly did not happen. For now, the price is still in between this termination area, and I'll still wait for conditions like break below this low to take my sell trades, or break above 50 EMA with good two green candles, and then I will go long. So that's what I'm looking at. Not entering gold at this point. I'm just waiting for good conditions to enter for sell trade below here, and for buy once we have a break above 50 EMA with good momentum. So wait and see how it goes. Let's check silver. So silver has now pushed up, and as mentioned yesterday, we have a rejection right here from this zone, and price is now pushing down from here. That is a very big candle, so I won't be entering in this big candle somewhere here. So I want to see few more red candles from silver as price has now broken below 50 EMA, and then pull back followed by bearish engulfer, and only take short trades. So not buying at this point. Price has rejected from the zone above and now pushing down. I will only look for sell trades until the price hit the zone below, which is 22.02, goes up to 22.45, from where we will enter buy trades with engulfers, double bottoms or 382 candles. So keep an eye here. I'm only bearish for silver, waiting for conditions, pullback condition to take my sell trades only. So last one, we have crude oil. Crude oil has played out nicely from this pattern as mentioned yesterday with the swing low engulfing candle. Price has pushed up. I'm still expecting a price to push up and hit at least 74.18, goes up to 74.61, from where we can expect some pullback. Break above, then the next selling zone is right up there, which is 76.64, goes up to 78.90, from where we will enter sell trades with bearish engulfers, double tops or 382 candles. So wait and see how it reacts from this zone, and then we will act accordingly. For now, price is likely to push up from here. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.